10 anatomical directions. My palm is anterior to the back of my hand, and my back of my hand is posterior to my palm. Superior and inferior. My head is superior to my toes, and my toes are inferior to my head. Medial and lateral. My nose is medial to my ears, and my ears are lateral to my nose. Proximal and distal. My elbow is proximal to my hand, and my hand is distal to my elbow. Deep and superficial. My heart is deep to my skin, and my skin is superficial to my heart. Body planes. Frontal body plane. Splits the body into ventral and dorsal. An example of moving in this plane would be a side lunge. It also consists of adduction, which is moving towards the center of the body, and abduction, which is moving away from the center of the body. The sagittal plane. An example of moving in the sagittal plane would be a bicep curl, which has to do with flexion and extension. The third plane is transverse, which splits the body into superior and inferior. And an example of moving in this plane would be rotation. There are two main body regions. Axial, which consists of three regions, which is cephalic, which is the head, which consists of eyes and ears, optal and otic, and cervical, which is the neck, and the trunk, which is thoracic, dorsal, abdominal, and pelvic area. The second main region, appendicular, consists of upper limbs, which is the arm, which is from the digital to deltoids and acromial, and then the lower limbs, which is digital, which is toes, to the talus, which is ankles. And that is all body regions and 10 anatomical directions.